In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a user profile in Adalo. Adalo is a no-code platform that allows you to construct apps quickly and efficiently, making it perfect for users of any skill level. Let's dive into the process, ensuring you understand each step so you can implement user profiles seamlessly in your app. To start, we'll navigate to the database in the Adalo builder. On the left-hand side of your Adalo interface, you'll find a menu. Locate the Database tab and click on it. This section is where all your collections, or data tables, reside. Among these is the Users collection, which Adalo generously provides by default. The Users collection is fundamental and, importantly, it cannot be deleted, a notable detail to keep in mind as you explore its functionalities. Now, let's enhance this user's collection by adding custom properties. These extra fields might include a bio or profile picture, depending on what you envision for your user profiles. To add these, click the plus Add Property button. When you click this, choose the property type that aligns with your needs, be it text, image, or perhaps a date. Doing this allows you to store additional data specific to each user. With the database well prepared, it's time to shift our attention to creating the profile screen. Head to the menu on the left and click the plus button to add a new screen. You'll have the option to start with a blank screen or select a pre-built template. Choose whichever suits your project best. With your new screen ready, utilize Adalo's drag-and-drop feature to bring in various components. This might include text, images, and forms, elements that will showcase and allow edits to the user's information. To make these components dynamically reflect the logged-in user's data, use what Adalo calls magic text. For instance, a text component can be linked to the logged-in user's name by accessing the current user data and selecting Name. Similarly, for image components, ensure they are linked to the user's profile picture property. Moving forward, let's enable users to make edits to their profiles. Begin by placing input components like text input and image picker in areas where you want to enable edits. Then, add a button, perhaps labeled Save or Update Profile. Configure this button to perform an Update Logged-in User action. When setting this up, map each input component to its corresponding user property, ensuring changes the user makes are accurately saved. Consider adding validation logic for a smoother user experience. This extra step ensures all necessary fields are filled before the user can save their changes. Finally, let's link the profile screen to your app. On relevant areas such as the home or settings screens, include a button or icon that directs users to their profile screen. Set the action of these navigational elements to link, and choose the profile screen as the destination. This will allow users quick and easy access to their profiles from different parts of your app. And just like that, you've successfully integrated a user profile feature into your Adalo app. Follow these steps to give your users a personalized and interactive experience, contributing to a more dynamic app performance. Looking forward to seeing what you create.